Hi there! In this video I will be telling you about this channel, chrisboy153. As you can probably see on the screen right now, chrisboy153, as he is known as on the internet, has a layout. And he has also made quite a lot of very good YouTube videos. He might be making Minecraft videos in the future, but it's not definite. But still, it's worth checking out the videos that he's made already. Now I'll pass you on to the actual chrisboy153.
So here we have the train station on my layout. It's called Oakley, but I might be changing the name soon. So as you can probably tell, there are 3 lines that go through the station. The small one, this one here, which the 2011 Collector's logo just went over, that is the DC line, and it's a branch line with first radius curves. This middle one here, that's a main line with the Flying Scotsman running on it. That's the second radius curves, and it's also DC. But this one where the Northern Rail is, that's DCC, and it's also a main line. And I also run more than one train on that track at the same time. So let me just show you the 153 running. Very nice, smooth motor that runs it. So and the 153 is just amazing. That's the white. It's my best train, really.
And now from front, which is class 153. Which is light functions, and it's in a Northern Rail livery.
Oh, very instant slowdown there. Well, here we have the Class 08 BR livery, I think, yep. And the first 4 wagons came in the train set with the mixed freight. And you can see some wagons further back, and the track cleaner car that's at the back. So, I've also got another DCC train, that's the Ginty. I like running these 2 trains at the same time, the Class 08 and the 153. Just think they're very nice. So I'll pass it back on to Anthony.
So please feel free to check out chrisboy153's channel. If I can, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Bye!